how to do tatting.
No, yeah, that's what she's making right now.
Right there. You get to put another pin in. Go ahead and grab a pin. How about this one?
Oh.
It's not being used for anything.
Oh, okay. Where?
Right there. Yep, underneath this worker pair. This is your worker. And then the reason why we call it a worker is it goes back and forth, but the others stay straight. There you go. Now you are again doing the same thing. Again, going back this way. So, middles first.
Okay, the
then
same.
top.
Okay, just doing all again, but just going backwards for those colors.
And it's the same.
Okay, so it's like this,
Middle.
One in the middle. Nope, nope. The next one over. Nope.
Magical colors.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Okay.
Good job, Luke. Miss Shelley, I found you a quilt. Look at that beautiful blue ribbon, because it's beautiful. I found your picture, Amy. Let's see. Let's see. It's a white award. It's a good picture of you. They got quite a bit in the barn. Oh, he's so cute. He wants you to be a friend. Does he have a plant in there? Oh, yeah. All right. We got to see all kinds of stuff in the old building. There's my husband down there talking to somebody. There he is. Yep, yuppie. Okay, Luke is walking on this water thing. He wanted to do this really badly.